Hey guys, we received this USB-C docking station for test and try, dual monitor, HDMI adapter, and this have a USB-C hub as well. You can use it as a laptop docking station with the two HDMI ports. So let me just open the box and show it to you. So here you can attach actually two of your monitors and then 100 watt of this PD charging and the USB-C and USB-A support. So you will see like the two USB and USB-C here. There is one USB here, HDMI, and the USB-C. So they're all different ports that have this little docking station, and then this helps like from one micro USB-C or the USB-C drive. You can put all these different materials along with this. So I'm just putting say one of this USB, or you can also check like the USB-C. So with the port is not a issue. It's easily functionable, and then you can put like the different things here. And then you can just put it in the laptop and this will start giving the power. So I'm just checking this and this docking works really well. So there is no issue in its working. So I'm just telling you because I'm showing you here, but I tested this a little previously just to see how this thing is work.